Morning students, 10th standard maths, chapter 2, exercise 2.6 continuation is 11th question. If S1, S2, S3 up to Sm are the sums of n terms of m APs whose first terms are 1, 2, 3 up to m and whose common difference are 1, 3, 5 up to 2m minus 1 respectively. Then show that S1 plus S2 plus S3 up to Sm equal to 1 by 2 mn within bracket mn plus 1. This only to prove that the question. So what are the values given? So S1 first term and then common difference and then number of terms are given. First of all is a S1. So S1 is a first term is a S1 first term and then this one is a common difference. So write A equal to 1 and then D equal to 1. So number of terms n only. Next one is a S2. S2 means is a second of the term in both the first term and common difference. So first term 2, common difference 3, number of terms n. And next one is a S3. S3 means is a third term. So A first term 3, common difference 5. And the number of terms n only. The next one is up to Sm. Sm is a first term is a m. Common difference is a 2m minus 1 and number of terms is a n only given. Okay, find the question S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus up to Sm. First one you find out S1. First term and then common difference only given. It's not mentioned the last term. So apply the first one formula. Say n by 2 within bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That only apply the formula. So substitute the value n, number of terms n only given. N by 2 within bracket 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 1. So answer is a n by 2 within bracket 2 ones are 2, 2 plus both the term multiply by 1. So n minus 1. So S1 equal to n by 2 within bracket. So variable first mention variable 2 minus 1 is a plus 1. This one mentioned the first one. Again find out the S2. The same formula only. So number of terms S2 is n by 2 only given. N by 2 within bracket 2 into A. First term is a 2 only given. 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into what is the common difference given is a 3 only. So mention n by 2 within bracket 2 2s are 4 plus both the term is multiplied by 3 only. So multiple 3n minus 3. The next step is a n by 2 within bracket. Is a first variable term. Mention the variable term. It's a 3n plus 4 minus 3 is a plus 1. This one is a S2. We mentioned this one is a second one. Next again find out S3. So S3 equal to the same formula n by 2 within bracket. What is the first term? S3 first term 3 and then common difference 5. Substitute the value 2 into 3 plus n minus 1 into 5. So d value is a 5 only given. So write n by 2 into 2 3s are 6. Plus both the term multiplied by 5 plus 5 and minus 5. Okay, so write S3 equal to n by 2 within bracket. First variable mention 5 and 6 minus 5 is a plus 1. That one is a mention third one. Next again find out Sm. So Sm equal to n by 2 within bracket. So what is the A term is a m and then D term is a 2m minus 1. So mention 2 into m plus n minus 1 into, so what is the D value given? 2m minus 1 into 2m minus 1. Okay, right. So n by 2 within bracket 2 into m multiple is a 2m plus, so apply the algebraic expression only apply. Two terms are given. First you take n and both second term both the terms are multiplied by n only. So this symbol only apply and then again continue the multiplication minus 1 into 2m then minus 1 into minus 1. So multiply the term n into 2m is a 2mn. Again n into minus 1 is a minus n. Again multiply by minus 1 into 2m is a minus 2m. Minus 1 into minus 1 is a plus 1. Okay, directly cancel by 2m and then minus 2m directly cancel. So write n by 2 within bracket. This one, both the term is a n is a common term. So remaining terms mentioned 2m minus n right in outside. So what is the coefficient value? So 1 only into n plus 1. This one is a fourth one. So apply S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus up to Sm. So mention the term S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus up to Sm. So write the first one. What is the first one answer? N by 2 within bracket n plus 1. So write n by 2 within bracket n plus 1 plus next one is a n by 2. So S2, what is the answer? So 3n plus 1. So n by 2 within bracket 3n plus 1 plus n by 2. Third one is a 5n plus 1 plus up to, so Sm to n by 2 within bracket 2m minus 1 into n plus 1. Okay students, so both the term also is n by 2, n by 2, n by 2 is a common term. So I will mention in outside n by 2. Other remaining terms n plus 1 plus 3n plus 1 plus 5n plus 1 up to next one is a 2m minus 1 into n plus 1. N by 2. So first term mentioned in first bracket and then second term mentioned in second bracket. So each term write n plus 3n plus 5n plus up to 2m minus 1 into n, close the bracket, plus next second term 1 plus 1 up to say m times only. Okay students, the next one say n by 2 within bracket. So both the term, first of all, first bracket is a n is a common term for both the term. So n mentioned in outside. So n outside means what is the coefficient value? 1 only. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to is a 2m minus 1 plus say m times we mentioned m only. Okay students, next again this one is a mentioned fifth equation. Next one is a 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to last term is a 2m minus 1. So find out the Sn. So first term is a mention a, common difference equal to d equal to 2 only. This one is a last term given. You find out Sn. So Sn. So a equal to 1 and then d equal to 2, l equal to 2m minus 1 and then n equal to number of terms equal to m only given. So formula Sn equal to n by 2 within bracket, last term given means apply this a plus l. So n equal to, what is the question given is a m only. So m by 2 within bracket a equal to 1 plus last term is a 2m minus 1. So directly cancel by 1. So m by 2 into 2m. So 2 cancel. So answer equal to m square. Substitute this value Sm equal to m square. This value substitute in fifth equation. So what is the equation? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to 2m minus 1. Substitute the value is a m square. So mention n by 2 within bracket n into m square plus m. Okay students, that right, n by 2 is a m squared n plus m. So which one is a common term? Both the term. So m is a common, right now outside n by 2 into m within bracket. So one m term right in outside. So remaining term is a mn plus 1. So rearrange the terms. So what is the question given? 1 by 2 into m1 only mentioned. So write the coefficient values in separately, right? So numerator is a 1 only. So 1 by 2 into m1 within bracket m1 plus 1. Hence proved. 12th question, find the sum a minus b by a plus b plus 3a minus 2b by a plus b plus 5a minus 3b by a plus b up to 12 terms only given. First of all mention this one is a t1, t2, t3. So write down the term a equal to a minus b by a plus b is the first term. And the next to find out common difference d. t2 minus t1. So mention 3a minus 2b divided by a plus b minus a minus b by a plus b. Okay students. The next denominator is the same term only given. So mention one time only. So numerator 3a minus 2b. So bracket outside is a minus sign given. Both the term also change the sign. So minus a minus change into plus b. So write down the answer 3a, this term 1a. So 3a minus 1a equal to 2a minus 2b plus b. So answer is a minus b. 2a minus b divided by a plus b. So denominator a plus b. So number of terms n equal to 12 only given. So applying the formula Sn equal to n by 2 within bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula only applied. So n equal to s number of terms equal to 12 only given. So 12 by 2 within bracket 2 into what is the a term? A minus b by a plus b plus n minus 1 is a 12 minus 1 into d term. Mention the d term. So 2a minus b divided by a plus b. Okay, this term cancelled by 2 table. It's a 6 only. 6 bracket 2 bracket a minus b by a plus b plus 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 bracket 2a minus b by a plus b. Okay, the next step 6 within bracket. Denominator is the same one only. So multiply by the numerator terms. Bracket outside is 2 only given. So write 2a minus 2b divided by a plus b. Middle sign is a plus only. Both the term multiply by 11 only. So 11 2s are 22a minus 11b divided by a plus b. The next step, say a plus b is a both the term also common. So apply one more time only. So write the numerator term 2a minus 2b plus 22a minus 11b. So mention a plus b, write in outside. 6 divided by a plus b within bracket. This time like terms 2a and then this one is a 22a. Add the coefficient values. 22 plus 2 is a 24a. Next one minus 2b minus 11b. So same sign only given. So add the term 11 minus 2. So 11 minus 2 is a minus 13. So minus 13b. So answer S12 equal to 6 by ab. 6 divided by a plus b within bracket 24a minus 13b. Okay students, so I will give you the revision sums. For 8 sums I will give you. So do the following sums and practice in your home only. So all the first chapter is a 5 questions given for you, and the next third chapter is a matrices also 3 questions given. So do the practice for the sums. Thank you students.